Hello everyone. So we have arrived to Santiaoling, and actually last week we did a river trace here, but during that river trace we found that in the river there's a lot of trash. In today's video me and Xiaofei are going to go there and see if we can clean up some of the trash. So we just got down into the river. It's an amazing place, like the rivers of Taiwan. Super beautiful. But hey, I just got down in the river and already this is how far we managed to get. Already here is so much trash, right? No, because the river is so low, you know, but the trash is up in the trees. So how come it's like that?
Right, so that's why I initially thought that some of this stuff, might have come from the air. But as it turns out, this was washed down here. So that means that at some point the water was this high. You don't want to be in the river when that happens.
I woke upon the river like it's easier than land. Evil's in my pocket and your will is in my hand. Oh, your will is in my hand. Throw it in the current that I stand upon so still. Love is all from what I heard, but my heart learned to kill. Oh, well, mine has learned to kill.
So we managed to remove all the trash from at least one of the trees, and now it looks like this. And the trash from this single tree equals this much. All this was from one single tree, and it was not even the tree with the most trash on it.
It's really an unbelievable amount of trash that's in this river.
Throw it in the current that I stand upon so still. Love is all from what I heard, but my heart learned to kill. Oh, well, mine has learned to kill. Like a house made from spider webs and clouds keep rolling in. I bet this mighty river both my savior and my sin. Oh, my savior and my sin.